Bangladesh, the second largest ready-made garment exporter in the world, has taken a leading position in sustainable green industry with the world's several top-ranked green factories. In this position of making top-of-the-line products with green building and modern technology, Patriot Group started its journey in 1994. This is a USGBC proposed gold-certified 8-story ready-made garments manufacturing plant designed with cutting, sewing and finishing facility. Patriot Eco Apparel Limited maintains the highest standard possible within RMG production, guided by modern technology. We are capable of producing 1 million pieces of garments per month. Our workers are our asset. We consider our factory as our home and treat our workers like family. We try to give our workers sitting comfort, ensure fresh air supply in the production floor. Patriot has a spacious dining facility, free medical care, child care facility for the workers. Patriot has developed working processes that ultimately save environment and set the leading example for efficient and environment-friendly manufacturing. Rainwater is collected in a tank for use and rest of the rainwater is charged into the ground. We recycle hand-wash water and use it in toilet flushes. The whole factory is covered by energy-efficient DC motor fans and exhaust fans in the production floors to ensure fresh airflow and cross-ventilation. We have used energy-efficient lights and used daylight harvesting techniques to reduce energy consumption. 5% of our energy requirements come from our renewable solar power source. Our building is under 100% sprinkler coverage and properly equipped with firefighting tools. We produce multi-category product in woven and knit fabrics, shirts, pants, jackets, polo, denim, hoodie and many more. Patriot Eco Apparel operates under top quality assurance, accepted internationally to ensure 100% quality. We strive to deliver long-term value to our clients all over the world. We believe in accountability and integrity in every aspect of production management and delivery. Patriot is not just a manufacturer of world-class clothing. It's a vision for better tomorrow.